Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mike, Cosmic Creations, Albany, Georgia. What we're looking at is one box of five. This is one box here. I got 4 more others. There's 100 of these things in each box. We did our final revision a few weeks back. Blue had got some of those on his sling and really liked them. I've got some on mine. And so these are final production pieces. They just came in last week. I was out of town a little bit on vacay, but these are our 8-to-1 powered splitters, powered hubs, signal repeaters, signal amplifiers, whatever you want to call them. These give your lights the power when they are too far away from your controller. Okay, these are very typical for a lot of your big installs. These are fully waterproof. These have a 20 amp capacity per unit. So you can run a lot of lights off of these, a lot. So you've got 8 3-pin JST connectors. These are your signal outputs or your LED outputs. You can run splitters on these if you want to. Top left, your male connector is your signal input. Top right is your signal output. And again, fully waterproof. These are fully encased. Really, really nice. So anyway, we'll have these on the website here soon. I got 500 of them. These are going to be going out with our new kits. If you want to upgrade from what you've got, let me know. If you want to order these singular and build your own kits with them, you can do that too. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.